The Swagger Pro 3 electric scooter is an excellent choice for commuters and adventure seekers alike, offering a lightweight, folding design that makes it easy to carry and store. With its powerful 250-watt electric motor, this scooter can reach speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour, making it a fast and efficient way to get around. One of the standout features of the Swagger Pro 3 is its intelligent cruise control, which can be engaged with the push of a button. This feature helps you maintain a consistent speed, making it easier to enjoy the ride without worrying about constantly adjusting the throttle. The scooter also comes equipped with a rear suspension, which helps absorb shocks and vibrations while riding over uneven terrain. This makes the ride smoother and more comfortable, even on bumpy roads or sidewalks. In addition to its performance features, the Swagger Pro 3 also includes some practical extras. A built-in USB charging port allows you to keep your phone or other devices charged while you're on the go. And the backlit display shows essential information like current speed, battery life, and cruise control status, so you can stay informed and in control at all times. Perhaps best of all, the Swagger Pro 3 is designed to be easy to use and transport. With one-click folding and a sleek, compact design, it's perfect for carrying onto public transit, storing in a small apartment, or taking on a road trip. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new neighborhoods, the Swagger Pro 3 electric scooter is a reliable, efficient, and fun way to get around.